The time is here. My move will take place next Saturday. For those who are new on my channel, I link you to my previous story. There is a lot to do now. Last week I had my last day of work on my job. It was a wonderful last day. And to say thank you for the wonderful time, I baked sweets the day before and took them with me for my team. I am now completely busy with the preparations. I have to buy moving boxes, pack everything, disassemble furnitures, and so on. There is so much to do, but I am enjoying it because I've been waiting for this day for so long. Besides packing, I have also to do a lot of administrative work, like changing the address everywhere. I have to return the apartment clean, I need a big car for the move and everything else. The days are strict and I also need breaks. I enjoy the time I spend outside. It is good for me to let go of the stress for a moment. My whole family will come and help me with the move. I am incredibly grateful to them for that. Since the next week will be very hard, I won't have time to make a new video for you until next Sunday. I am very sorry for that. But I also want to thank you all for watching my videos so faithfully. It motivates me to continue. It motivates me to take you with me on my adventures and to show you everything I experience. Thank you all.